Okay, let's go ahead and do number 23 from our practice final exam. Michelle interviewed 124 people. 72 of them had MP3 players, and 83 of them had cell phones. She did not keep track of the number who had both, or neither. What is the best you can say about the number of people with both? So this is a Venn diagram problem. Let's draw a big Venn diagram. And we got two circles, one for MP3 players, the other one for cell phones. Alright, I'll make that MP3 players, and this will be our cell phone. Now it says 124 people. There were a total of 124 people. So I'll put that up top. And it's not in any one of these regions, so this is the total. 72 of them had MP3 players. That means between these two regions, it has to add up to 72. And between these two regions, for cell phones, it has to add up to 83. And normally I would know what's in the middle. But she did not keep track of the number in the number of people who had both. So what's the best you can say about it? The way that I did this in class is I said, you know what? Let's see if you can do 0. So if there were 0 in the middle, then it would mean there's 72 here and 83 here. Alright, so that would, well, how many would be on the outside? So add these two together, 72, 83, and you get 155. That's too much. We only have 124 people. So 155, too many people. That means this cannot be 0. Okay. So where do we start? Well, here's what we do. Let's go over here. You would add 72 plus 83, and I said you get 155. Okay. How many people did we go over by? And again, there's 124 people. If I add up 72 and 83, I get 155. So that means I went over by 31 people. That means at least 31 people were counted twice. And then you do 72 minus 31 would be 41. And then 83 minus 31 is 52. And then how many would that leave out here? Well, if you add up these three regions, you will get 124, which means there's 0 people outside. Okay, but I could have more in the middle. I mean, what this tells me over here is that I counted 31 people twice. At the very least, 31 people twice. But I could have counted 32 people twice. Yeah. Will this work? Well, if that's 32, that makes that 40, and that 51. And if you add these together, you'll get 123, which means there's 1 on the outside, and that works. The whole point is that if I can make it work, it counts as a possibility. 31 worked, 32 worked. Okay, let's just do 33. That would make that 39, and it would make that 50. When you add these together, you'll get 122, which means there are 2 people left over. And those go on the outside as they have neither cell phone nor MP3 player. So how many people can I go up by? I mean, there has to be a max. And the max is 72. Since this entire circle has to add up to 72, if you put 72 in here, that would mean that's a 0. And then this would be 11. How many people would be on the outside? Well, I'll add up 72 and 11, which is 83, and that would leave me 41 people that had neither. Alright then, so it looks like I can have anywhere between 31 to 72 people that could have both. And if we go over to our choices, that would be beef